Hello everyone, welcome back to Victor's Analytics Hub. Today I'm going to be looking at three different scenarios within Excel so that we can take a look at percentages. Okay, so we have three questions that we need to answer. What percentage of seats are occupied, how many people are in the arena, and how big is the arena? And you can see I have data on this information. These are the data I'm going to use to find the answers. Okay, so for the first question, what percentage of seats were occupied? I have the spectators here. I have 5,760 spectators with the capacity of 10,000. So to find the percentage of seats that were occupied, I just need to cell B1, divide it with 10K. Okay, and it's giving me this number now. Of course, this number is it's not a percentage. So I need to come up here. This place I'm hovering right now, this percentage symbol. I just hit it. And so if 5,760 spectators are in a stadium capacity of 10,000, so 58% of that stadium has been filled. Okay, so for the next question, how many people were in the arena? How many people were in the arena? So as you can see, 74% of the seats were occupied, and again, the capacity of the stadium is 10K. Okay, so for me to find how many people are in the arena, I need to capacity, I'll multiply it with the seats occupied. Okay, so if 74% of seats are occupied in a stadium of 10K capacity, 7,400 people are in that stadium. Okay, so for my final question now, how big? So I'm going to find how big the arena is. Okay, so I have 25% of seats. 25% of seats are occupied by 2,500 people. So for me to find the how big the arena is, okay, I need to take my people divided by the percentage of seats that were occupied, and that is going to give me a total of 10K. So guys, that's it on percentages. If you like the video, I hope you do. Give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Until my next video.